Okay, we're back. Um, what we're talking about here is actually I don't even need to calculate each one to figure it out. I can look at the rule. So it's 2 pi times r, right? And we're going to have r equal the side length, right? So then it's going to be the number of sides times the side length. So when is this going to be greater than this? Well, if r is equal to s, I could just say, well, this is n times r, right? 2 pi times r. So if I have something times r and something times r, well, all I need to do is find out, well, say this was 5 and this was 3. I would know that this is bigger, right? Well, 2 pi is equal to 2 times 3.14, which is 6.28 times r. So when will n be greater than 6.28? That's the question, right? So that would be 7, right? If it was 6, it wouldn't be big enough, right? So that would not work, right? So 6.28r when it gets to 7, so that would be a 7-sided object, or what we call a heptagon. If you Googled that or knew, then congratulations, you got it. So you want to see proof. You don't want to see my little equation, right? You want to see proof. Okay, so I made this GeoGebra model, and what it does is when I change the number of sides, it automatically increases. Right now it's at side length of radius of 1 and a length of 1. So as I change it, so there it goes to 4, and you can see that the perimeter of the polygon. Oh wait, I just realized that I made a mistake back here. I said 4 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. Look at how bad I am at arithmetic. Okay, back. 4 times 2 for 4 sides times the side length of 2 makes 8. Going on. 3 times 5 would be 15. 4 times 6 would be 24. And see, 24 is still smaller than 25.13, the circumference of a circle, with a radius of 4. And we get to 7, and it gets bigger. 35 is bigger than 31.42. And you can see that this shape is looking bigger now than the circle, isn't it? And if you keep going, you can see that, it gets much bigger. So the perimeter of the polygon, when it's 12 sides, is and a side length of then 10 is 120 versus the circumference of 62.83. Okay, so what else about this? Every time we add 1 to the radius, this grows in a linear fashion. So it's 6.28 is the first one, then it's 12.56, and it just grows in a linear. Each time you just add 6.28, 6.28, 6.28. And the same thing goes for a side length. If we kept the number of sides the same, it would grow. So a triangle has a perimeter of 3 when the side length's 1, and then if I had the side length of 2, it would be 6. Side length of 3, it would be 9, and this grows in a linear way too. So we're going to be looking at linear functions. Also, square grows, the perimeter of the square grows in a linear way. It's 4 if it was the 4 times 1. It's 4, and then ignore that never happened, right? 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, and it would grow like that. Okay, so we're talking about linear functions now, and those are just a couple examples.